What's up, everyone? I have a HX2 basket lanzar opti drive motor 15-inch speaker. It's kind of a hybrid deal. Whoever built it last put the spider on upside down before assembling it. So the voice coil leads are underneath. One's hanging down. One's not really hanging down, but it's not glued like it's supposed to be. So it's never going to work right. I think it's shorting out while it's playing. It sucks because it's a pretty beefy 15-inch speaker. I'll show you the magnet here. Hopefully you get to see it. It's pretty big. Here's my hand. I wish I could have used it. It's a nice shiny coil, but whoever put it together didn't know what they were doing. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it apart. Hopefully. We'll see. Hate to do it, but never going to be right anyways. So, I know you're not supposed to cut towards you, but figured I'd do it on camera. Would have been a nice sub if whoever built it knew what they were doing. They clearly didn't. Yeah, I'm definitely going to recone it though. Must be getting close. Here's the coil. Give you a close-up. Coil still looks fine. I really didn't want to cut this sub apart, but voice coil leads. This one's pretty kind of charred looking, but that one was hanging down right there, grounding out on the basket bolt, and this one came undone from the glue. This spider is supposed to be flipped. It leads up here, and they were just poking up right out of here, and so sadly it was never going to work right. But I can get to use the cone and the dust cap again. So yeah, here it is, guys. Just a random speaker I got in trade. It looks like a really nice coil, but it's a magnet basket. So yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. Talk to you later.